One morning, a mosquito saw an iguana drinking at a water hole. The mosquito said, "Iguana, you will never believe what I saw yesterday." "Try me," said the iguana. The mosquito said, "I saw a farmer digging yams that were as big as a yam." "What's a mosquito compared to a yam?" snapped the iguana grumpily. "I would to be deaf stand listen to such nonsense." Then he stuck a stick in his ears and went on, me, through the reeds. The iguana was still grumbling to himself when it happened to pass by a python. The big snake raised his head and said, "Good morning, iguana." The iguana did not answer, but lumbered on, bobbing his head, butterming. "Now, why won't he speak to me?" said the python to himself. "Iguana must be angry about something. I'm afraid he is plotting some mischief against me." He began looking for somewhere to hide. The first slightly place he found was a rabbit hole, and in it he went. Whistle. When the rabbit saw the big snakes coming into her burrow, she was terrified. She scurried out through her back ways and bounded quick across a clearing. A crow saw the rabbit running for her life. He flew into the forest crying. It was his duty to spread alarm in case of danger. A monkey heard the crow. He was sure that some dangerous beast was prowling near. He began screeching and leaping willy through the tree to help one other animals. As monkey was crashing through the treetops, he happened to land on a dead limb. It broke and fell on an owl's nest, killing one of the owlets. Mother Owl was not at home, for though she usually hunted only in the night, this morning she was still out searching for one tidbit to satisfy her hungry babies. When she returned to the nest, she found one of them dead. Her other children told her that the monkey had killed it. All the days and all the night, she sat in her tree, so sad. Now it was Mother Owl who walked the sun each day, so that the dawn could come. But this time, when she should have waited for the sun, she did not do it. The night grew longer. The animal of the forest knew it was lasting much too long. The fear that the sun would never come back.